Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Looking at Apple on the daily, weekly, shorter term time frames. So second day in a row, the bulls held that 100-day moving average support, 109.15. And a nice bounce right off the low yesterday. Bulls had a decent day today. We're wedged in between that support and the middle Bollinger Band resistance of 109.98. We did reject from previous support. Remember that support was at 110.07, and we rejected from 110.09 at the high of the day. So previous support acting as resistance. Bulls need to see confirmation on Monday, as this is a bullish candlestick after 3 days, 4 days of consolidation. So there's some key support levels, not only this 100-day moving average, but on the weekly time frame. The bulls rallied the second half of the day to keep this middle Bollinger Band and the 100-week moving average. Those levels are 109.39 and 109.74. So you can see that little bit of a lower wick, back test and hold of those levels. That's a good sign for the bulls, but they must rally now into next week and maintain those moving averages going forward. If next week we close below those moving averages, which will pretty much be at the same level, we'll have to update that first thing, but if we do close below it, we are looking back down at 104.08. So it is important for the bulls to hold those levels next week as well. Looking in on the hourly time frame, don't get lost in that. We've got a loss of all moving average support at the end of the day yesterday. Today we rejected from the 20 period first thing, gained it as support, and then look at these back tests, multiple candlesticks in a row. Holding, 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 inside candlestick on the hourly, bullish break on the inside candlestick, increasing bull volume into the end of the day, and a nice rally for the bulls to maintain those weekly moving average supports. So always be scouting these hourly candlesticks because there's nice day trades to be had there on those inside candlestick breaks as well. They work really nicely on the daily and weekly time frame, but if you're day trading, the hourly works as well, and the bulls saw some upside. So 20 period moving average support, 109.53 into Monday, and this 200 period resistance, which we did back test and reject after losing it on Thursday. So that will be the next key resistance level if we can get above those low 110s, which is where we had previous support earlier this week and then rejected from at the high of today. So we'll check back in on Monday and see how we go. Apple definitely had a little bit of bullish action at the end of the day compared to the other election day dumpers. It's holding up fairly well. Netflix is clearly the biggest and best performer for the bulls out of all of those names, but Apple's not too far behind there, but must hold those weekly levels next week as well. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a great weekend.